What's going on, everyone? Today I have a very quick but a very interesting video that a lot of you are gonna like. Now, in all the Facebook groups, I've seen lots of people say how they wish they could have their gauges up on their Apple CarPlay screen. But for the longest time, that has not been a feature that was available anywhere. But if you guys are familiar with the BIMMERLINK app, many of you probably already have it, they just released a feature where you can do just that. And just a side note before I get into it, if you stick around to the end of the video, I've got a little surprise for you. So the first thing you'll need is a Bluetooth OBD adapter. I have this one. It is a VPeak OBD Check BLE scan tool. Got that on Amazon for 20 bucks, pretty cheap. I will leave the link in the description for that. And the second thing you'll need is the BIMMERLINK app. So when you're in the BIMMERLINK app, go to Settings, and then you'll see the option at the very top for Carplay add-on. Now, I've already purchased it, but if you haven't yet, it is $10, so not so bad. So then I'm going to go connect. And once BIMMERLINK is connected, you can come right into CarPlay, click on the BIMMERLINK app, and the sensor values will show right up. Now, I have all the fun ones: oil temperature, intake air temperatures, boost pressure, and you can change those values directly from the BIMMERLINK app. So if you have the BIMMERLINK app pulled up on your CarPlay, you will need to close that out in order to access the rest of the BIMMERLINK app. So once you're here, go to sensor values, and then all of these sensor values that you pick will show up on your CarPlay. So you can hit edit, add, and there is a trillion different things that you can add to your CarPlay. So there's a little bit of lag when it comes to the actual displays on this gauge. Now check the boost pressure. So it wasn't immediate, but it was quick enough, and it is helpful just to give you an overall sense of what your car is doing. So as you can see, if you go to the Max Values tab, this shows you all of your maximum values for all the sensors you've chosen on this drive. Now, unfortunately, there's no other formats like circular gauges or anything. It's just some pretty basic white text. Maybe that'll appear in new updates, but for now, this will do. For those of you who stuck around, here's my surprise. I have bought a new car, and it will be coming to the channel very soon. And yes, it's a BMW. So thank you, and I will see you next time.